and today I'm going to show you how to make tilapia with rosemary in the oven. Tilapia is a great versatile fish, and it is one of the most popular farm-raised fish out there. First start off with a little bit of oil on the bottom so the fish doesn't stick. And then as you put your fish inside here, rub it around on the bottom so you're moving that oil around. 2 pieces of fish, one on top of the other. You're going to add some salt and pepper. I like to add a little bit from the high side so it kind of sprinkles all around. I use a little bit of white pepper. It has a little more assertiveness. You could certainly use black if you like. And of course, rosemary. Lots of rosemary. Some sliced garlic. Some chopped onion. So we're going to add some white wine right on top now. This is going to help it steam up a little bit. Some fresh squeezed lemon juice. Some breadcrumb. The breadcrumb actually holds in a little bit of the moisture. Some parsley. Some nice cut cherry tomatoes. And finally, a little bit more olive oil on top, drizzling all around. Now you're ready for baking. When it's time to serve dinner, you're going to bake it in the oven for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. It's really simple, and it's something you can pre-do.